Good afternoon, ladies. Can I give you a lift?
No, thank you.
I'm Sistango. I hear her husband does exist after all and that he's been visiting.
It's a small town, Dr. Ladimeji Taiwo. Good day.
Well, have a nice day.
What do you think he would have done to you? Rape you in the middle of the road?
I don't care. If you want a ride, it's not too late.
Touchy, touchy.
Sorry, just a few days more and everything will be... Ngozi.
Baba Oyo, Dide. Baba Oyo. Tó bá délé, sọ fún màmá rẹ̀ Adétutù kó wá lọ́la.
Mama.
Adétutù. Mama kó wá lọ́la, mama.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Lola.
Tomorrow. Lọ́la tomorrow. So kó wá lọ́la.
Among my companions, sorry about that. Most of whom were circumcised, I was still looked upon as...
Please, get off.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Janet, let her be.
You can be excused from the school for a few days.
No, I don't want to add burden to my problems.
What is the problem?
Nothing.
Hello.
Am I wọlé bọ̀? Ètò ti tò. Adétutù.
Baba.
Sọ fún ọmọ rẹ̀ kó bá kí wọ́n tún ṣe àyẹ̀wò fún. Wọ́n ní òfun wò, ìwòrì wò. Ń tá a bá dìjọ wò gẹ́gẹ́ ní eégún. Àwọn méjì tí wọ́n jókòó tí wọ́n jẹ́ èèyàn mi káwọn náà tún bá mi yẹ̀ wò.
So, Baba said,
I will not take my clothes off in front of everyone.
Ṣé torí ipá wa ṣe oníṣègùn òyìnbó lẹ fi ń dá wa dúró báyìí?
Okay, okay.
ẹ mà kú oríire.
adúpẹ́.
ẹ ti báṣẹ́ jìnnà adúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
èmi ìbá sọ pé ká fi ewé ẹ̀gẹ́lẹ̀ kún àgbóhun.
ewé ẹ̀gẹ́lẹ̀ ọ̀dà á sì fi kún. ṣùgbọ́n ẹ gbọ́ náà o àyẹ̀wò àṣekáyìn tá a máa ṣe fún wọn àṣekágbá rẹ̀ ń lọ jẹ́ kókó tó kù nísìnyí o.
ṣé yìí ò lè ṣe.
kò ṣe kí ni bí ọba ṣe ààrẹ ló fi ṣeré ikú ṣùgbọ́n sọ ti sanwó ẹ̀ tán.
tówó ni ò tó nǹkan ṣe bí ẹni tó mú wá sí yìí tó jẹ́ onígbọ̀wọ́ rẹ̀ ṣe bọ́ máa ti wá sí lélẹ́ yìí o.
ó tiẹ̀ ti sú òun gan ẹ jẹ́ lọ sọ fún un pé ó ti ṣoríire.
ewu ti kọjá lórí ẹ̀. Adétutù.
Bàbá.
ìwọ àtọmọ rẹ máa bọ̀. ẹ jókòó.
Màmá ẹ kú ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ mo sì kí yín kú oríire ṣùgbọ́n o àṣekágbá àyẹ̀wò kan ń bẹ tó yẹ ká ṣe fọ́mọ yín yóò lọ mú ọkùnrin tó bá wù wá wọn ó sì jọ láṣepọ̀ lójú wa kíkú ó lè yẹ lórí ẹ̀ tán pátápátá.
ó lọ́kọ. mọ́mọ́kọ ẹ̀ wá o ó léwu o nkíhun ló lè ṣẹlẹ̀.
ìdí tá a fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kéwu ó lè kúrò lórí ẹ̀ pátápátá ó sì gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe àyẹ̀wò náà láàrin ọjọ́ 9.
You have to bring a man and he is going to have intercourse with you in their presence.
No way!
Ngozi, listen.
No! I won't betray my husband, Mama.
ó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ni o kíkú lè yẹ lórí ẹ̀ pátápátá ọkùnrin yòówù tó bá sì mú wá hàhín nǹkan kò ní ṣe torí ẹ̀ làwa fi wà ń kálẹ̀.
Any man that you bring, well, there's no...
No! This has gone too far. If I perish, I perish. Let's get out of here.
Ngozi.
What perversion. In front of them, with another man. Huh?
Ngozi.
It's totally unimaginable. Unthinkable. Ridiculous.
Stop this grammar and think of your life.
Where will I even find such a man? How can I even think of finding any man?
Think, my daughter. Think. Now, you go and rest. Tomorrow you have more treatments.
I am not going back there.
Yes, you will.
Hello? Yeah? Who? Let her come in.
Hi.
Ngozi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
This is a pleasant surprise.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you too. You look gorgeous.
You don't look bad yourself. Thank you.
Please, have a seat now. Very long time. This can't be true. To see me.
Mm-hmm.
But your husband?
Oh, didn't I tell you? He's been in England for 6 months now.
So he left you all alone?
I'm very lonely too.